So one of my favorite features in Atrium is tasks. Very simple concept, generally speaking. You get a Kanban board, you get some lanes, you can drop your tasks in and create a task and you work on it. But Atrium has features that let you wire up tasks to agents. So I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm going to create a task here. We'll call it tell a joke. And I'm going to tell it when you add a comment to this task with a joke. That's it. That's what the prompt will be for the agent. I can also set a cadence. So right now it's on manual. This is how I can create loops in Atrium. So I can schedule it for later. I can loop until done, or I can repeat on a schedule. If I do like loop until done, I can set done conditions that the agent will have to adhere to. But I'm going to set it to manual for now. And so once I set that, I can choose the launch profile. So I can pick which harness I'm going to use. I can pick the launch profile that I'll use. So to launch with Haiku or Fable or Opus or whatever launch profile I set up, environment variables, all that can be configured in launch profile. And once I pick my harness, I can then pick the execution mode. So the execution mode lets you pick whether you want to execute it in the current branch or in a work tree. I'm going to do a work tree here so you can see that in action. That lets me isolate the work outside of the main branch into its own space. So I can pick the branch source. The branch name will get auto-generated if I don't put one in here based on the task name and the task number. And then I can also bind skills and agents, but you can also do that in the launch profile as well. So you can mix and match however you want to do that. You can put files as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create here. Once I create it, it gets added to my tasks list, and then I can launch it. And you can see it's spinning up a work tree here. It'll show up in my sidebar in just a second. There it is. So once I go to it, it's going to launch that agent, and then it's going to prompt the agent. It's going to tell it to read the task details, and it'll start executing. I hit my session limit though, so I can't download that part too. I've been using Fable too much, and my session is burned. So, but I wanted to record this video for you anyways. So you can see, it opens up the agent, opens up the task beside it. Agent is executing in its own isolated work tree. When it finishes, I'll come in here and I'll tell it merge into main, and it'll take care of the rest from there. And I can mark the task as done. Once the agent finishes, it'll automatically mark the task as in review, or whatever you mapped it to in the task. So you can get your status that way and just monitor your tasks list and keep up with everything. If I go back into my tasks list, you'll see it even shows the agent card here, similar to what you see on the sidebar if you have it expanded. But it'll show it here. I can even open up chat, and I can chat directly with the agent right here from the task card, or I can jump to the pane from here very easily as well. So try to be as visible as possible. So you come into your tasks list and you can manage many agents running many things at the same time very efficiently, see everything at a glance very quickly, and get a lot of work done in isolation and work trees. Very useful feature. I use it all the time in Atrium. Yeah, so try it out. If you haven't downloaded it already, get atrium.dev. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Thanks.